I'm Stephen Brown. I'm a partner at Reddy Neumann PC. Along with me is Ryan Wilk. He's also a partner at Reddy Neumann PC here in Houston, Texas. We're here today to discuss denials of I-140s and I-129s. Ryan, on the I-140 side, I know it's typical to just refile.
Yeah, if you have an I-140 denied, by and large, you can simply refile the case. You need to look at the reason for the denial, but generally, nothing's going to prevent you from refiling your I-140. You use the same perm, the perm is still going to be valid, even if it might be expired on its face. Filing one I-140 with that perm is going to make that perm valid indefinitely. So if you do have an I-140 that's denied, go ahead and refile it.
And refiling on the I-129 is similar. You want to look at the facts. Now, the difference being you want to make sure you're still in status, because if you're not in status, refiling might not be the best option, but you can still reuse that LCA and refile it even though you've used it for one petition.
And so refiling a case is one option. Another option is filing what's called an I-290B, and you can either call that an appeal, a motion to reconsider, or a motion to reopen. Each of those three items has its own different requirements and qualifications, but this is one way to, instead of refiling the case, you take the denial decision, maybe it's a wrong decision, you go back to this appellate body and they make the decision, was USCIS right or wrong to deny the case in the first place? All right, and then litigation is going to be your last option. I shouldn't say your last option, but it's definitely another option. And Stephen, I know you're an expert on the litigation, so what do you think about that?
Yeah, so a lot of times when you do MTRs or appeals, the government's going to just kind of back up their original decision. We've seen cases that should have easily been handled on an I-290B still get just better written denials or even worse written ones, if you can believe it. And one option could go right to litigation. You don't have to exhaust your administrative remedies. You don't have to file that I-290B. You can go right to suing the government in a lot of situations where you have denied I-129s, I-290, or I-140s. It's just going to depend on the facts, the jurisdiction, and all that. Each case is going to be unique, but it's certainly an option that's available.
So yeah, if you do have a denial of your H-1B or your I-140, there are plenty of options available. It's going to be important that you talk with an attorney to see what option might be best for you. But there's a world of opportunities out there, so be sure to take advantage of the best one.